Alright, Joe, we'll see if this can help you out here. This quiz is about finding vertical asymptotes, and the easy thing to understand with these is a function will have a vertical asymptote when its denominator is equal to 0. So for these, and this is I think one of the possible questions that you could have on your first quiz, you have to look at essentially what is going to give you a denominator of 0. So just looking at this, if x is equal to 1, 1 minus 1 gives you a denominator of 0. Your answer is going to be B. So as you go through and try to solve these, okay, here we got f of x is equal to 1 over x plus 3. And come on, here we go. Sorry. So f of x working on the old focus action here. Well, I'll do my best. There we go. F of x is equal to 1 over x plus 3. We got to get this to 3. So really easy. We can see if x is equal to negative 3, negative 3 plus 3 is going to give you a denominator of 0. So come here, and yeah, sure enough, we've got negative 3. So really not, and if you have problems that might have, let's see if we can find, we'll get to these graph ones here in a second. Well, we'll just look. Here's a different type of problem right here. So again, we're still looking for one where the denominator is going to be 0, and we can see that the x value is positive. Okay, so we can't have a negative x value. Okay, so if we go something, anything positive here with a value of x is not going to equal 0, so that one's not going to work. If we take here 2 minus 2, that would give us a denominator value of 0. 2 times any positive number is not going to give you 0. And 2 divided by any positive number is not going to get you 0. So quickly, you can kind of see that this is going to be your, letter B is going to be your answer. Just based on your graph, you know x is a positive number. Here it's at 2, and 2 minus 2 is giving you 0. So give that a shot. Just remember, you got to get that denominator to be 0.